What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sir Q, and welcome back to another Sounds of Sir Q moment. And if you haven't already, be sure that you like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Today, we're talking about the Real Housewives Ultimate Girls Trip. Now, if you don't know, they're celebrating their 20th anniversary with Teresa from New Jersey, Luann from New York City, Kyle from Beverly Hills, Portia from Atlanta, Giselle from Potomac, Lisa from Salt Lake City, and Vicky from Orange County. And of course, they're bringing back Nene as well. And I believe she will be coming back as a friend of, but it's good to see that they are going to have her on to commemorate the 20th anniversary of the Housewives. It seems they kicked off in Atlanta, where they had Nene and some of the other housewives attend on an episode. Needless to say, it looked like everything turned out very beautiful. However, the drama is already starting. Well, allegedly, it's been said that Portia is actually having a rift with Vicky Gunvalson, which let's all be like so 100% about this. We all know that when it comes to Vicky, that she always has a lot that she has to say, right? We know that she has no filter, but we also know that Portia is not going to hold back as well. And it seems like they've had words back and forth, and it's causing a rift amongst the ladies. So it seems like they're already off to a rocky start. It seemed as if she took to social media and she was pretty much explaining that they've already begun filming in less than 2 weeks and already it's our drama. So it's crazy. But I mean, that's what we want, right? We want to definitely see these ladies in rare form, right? But I will say, if it is a rift that's going on between Vicky and Portia, and it's already been not even a full week of filming, then you already know that it's going to be explosive, that there is going to be extreme drama, and I am here for it. But I would like to know, what do you guys think? Make sure that you guys send a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Look, they've already just started with one franchise, so you can only imagine with these several franchises to come, what more explosive drama there is to come following with that. But I am all here for it, and I hope that you guys are too. So just know there will be more commentary. I thank you guys so much for listening, and until next time, you guys, peace.